sunshines. I want to apologize. I really don't know what happened. I have no idea what happened. I don't know what went wrong in the computer for my live today. So today is the day that we are doing Graphghan techniques. So what I'm going to do is I am going to start off with something that's going to do Graphghan techniques, and I'm going to show you how we do the Graphghan technique and keep on moving on with the tutorial. I'm not sure if all 100 and such minutes that I did is even beneficial. I'm pretty sure some of it was, but what I'm going to do is do a little bit of something over for you so that you can get the content that I wanted you to get. I also wanted to explain to you what is Mentor Monday's topic. Mentor Monday's topic is basically going to show you things that I've been through or other people went through because of the research and the interviews that I had. Spoke to many people who have actual crochet businesses, people who have been doing this for such a long time, who makes pretty good money, a decent amount of money. And the things that we are going to go over is basic things that we have done. Well, I have done, they have done, and I wanted to go over that with you. So come back. I promise you, I will not use the Powerhouse computer for my lives anymore. I will make sure that to all of my ability, because it could have been YouTube too, getting on, I don't know, something was going on. This is why I'm always on Facebook. I can't deal with this YouTube crap. But what I'm going to do is go over the main common things that you need to function as a business for crochet. And the topics that we're going to do is basically don't be a scrub. You can't be a scrub. You want to know what that's about? Come back Monday, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Mindset of a rich energy. You want to know what that is? Come back and let's talk about it. Jealousy is a disease. You want to know what disease it is and why it is a disease? Come back, because you can assume what it is, but I'm going to tell you what it is. And this is just me formulating every single thing that was told to me. And I said, oh my gosh, that sounds like a disease. Jealousy is a disease. Stop overreacting with what people are saying to you. That's personal. That's personal, because I overreact. I get upset. I get sad when things don't come off the way I wanted it to come off. Like this video today. Like the live stream that I was supposed to do. Well, I did do. That was kind of blah, 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 blah. I don't know what happened. So that's what we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about how to not overreact with these people, because it doesn't really work in your favor anyway. Less petty, more money. I'm going to tell you what that means. Not necessarily personally for me, but for the other people that I spoke to and the research that I did, the pettiness did not help them make their money. In handling complicating customers, that was mainly the main thing that everyone, including myself, said. If you have a good customer, it's like you're good, you're fine. It's the complicating customers that can cause complication for everything. And so that's what we're going to 6 things that you need to know to make sure that your business is popping. But it can't be popping without these 6 things in order to have a good business. So just make sure you come back Monday, tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern Time so we could talk about these things. And get your questions ready so I can answer those questions based off the knowledge that I know and what my mentors know, and my people that I interviewed know, and the research that I did, I got some good content for you so that you can have a good business. I got it. And I promise we won't have this buffering. We won't have no buffering, okay? So now it's time for me to go and relax and get ready for you again tomorrow around 7 p.m. Eastern Time. And I will be right here. Please, please, please subscribe if you haven't. Like and share, because it's caring. And let other people know that I'm here and I'm here to help. So just, please, no more buffering. I promise. No more buffering. I will see you tomorrow, sunshine. You have a good night. Bye. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you liked the video, click the like button up at the top. And if you like, please share. I appreciate it. Bye.